Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore life in Crete, the largest and one of the most fascinating islands in Greece. Here, the vibrant spirit of the people is reflected in their diverse worldviews and unique lifestyles. Stay until the end because today we will talk about how modern life unfolds on this island, from its beautiful beaches, where topless sunbathing is common, to the lively nights that offer a unique and liberating experience. Crete is a place where freedom can be seen in its purest form, with women enjoying the sun without restrictions on the beaches and a nightlife that is as wild as it is welcoming. Crete is not just an island, it is a miniature universe. The island is known for the warm hospitality of its inhabitants and for a Mediterranean cuisine that makes everyone feel at home. Imagine starting your day with a strong coffee in a small tavern, followed by a walk through narrow streets where history is present in every stone. Cretans are proud people, with a deep respect for their traditions and cultural heritage. In Crete, modernity coexists harmoniously with the past. Life here is characterized by a tranquil rhythm and an intimate connection with nature. Crete, a gem of the Mediterranean, is the largest island in Greece, with an area of 8,336 square kilometers and a population of about 625,000 inhabitants. The island is a true mosaic of landscapes that range from breathtaking beaches to imposing mountains and fertile valleys. Heraklion, the capital, is a vibrant city where ancient history meets modernity. Walking through its streets, you can find modern shops and suddenly come across Minoan ruins or a Venetian fortress. Heraklion is the administrative and economic heart of Crete, but the island has much more to offer. Chania, for example, enchants with its historical charm and Venetian architecture. The old port of Chania, with its seaside taverns, is a perfect place to soak in the local atmosphere. The city is also a starting point for exploring the Lefka Ori Mountains, known as the White Mountains, which offer spectacular trails and breathtaking views. Rethymno, another remarkable city, combines Venetian heritage with a strong Ottoman influence. Its picturesque port and the Fortezza fortress are must-see tourist spots. Rethymno is also famous for its festivals and cultural events that attract visitors from all over the island and beyond. Agios Nikolaos, located on the eastern coast, is known for its beautiful Lake Voulasmini, which according to legend is bottomless. The city has a cosmopolitan atmosphere, with stylish cafes and luxury boutiques, but also maintains an authentic charm with local fishermen bringing their daily catches to the markets. In addition to the cities, Crete is blessed with lush nature. The Samaria Gorge, one of Greece's most famous national parks, offers a challenging but rewarding hike. The beaches of Elafonici, Bailos, and Vai, with their white sands and crystal-clear waters, are true paradises for sun and sea lovers. The Cretan people are known for their warm hospitality and pride in their cultural identity. Traditions are kept alive through festivals where music, dance, and food play central roles. Agriculture is still a vital part of life in Crete, with olive oil and wine production being particularly important to the local economy. Crete is an island where geographical and cultural diversity offers a rich and varied experience for visitors. Whether you are exploring the bustling streets of the cities or relaxing on the serene beaches, Crete promises an unforgettable adventure. The Cretans call their land Hellas and themselves Hellenes, a reflection of the pride they feel for their ancestral heritage. The history of Crete is long and fascinating, dating back to ancient times, with a heritage that includes the Minoan civilization, one of the oldest in Europe. At the center of this history is the Palace of Gnosis, an impressive structure that, according to legend, was the labyrinth of the Minotaur. Crete is also famous for being the birthplace of Zeus, the king of the gods in Greek mythology. On the mountains of Ida and Dicte, there are caves that, according to tradition, were the refuges where the goddess Rhea hid the young Zeus to protect him from his father Cronus. These stories are not just myths for the Cretans. They are part of the cultural fabric of the island and are celebrated in festivals and rituals to this day. The influence of various cultures that have occupied the island over the centuries, including Minoans, Mycenaeans, Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, and Ottomans, is reflected in Crete's art and music. The cities and villages are full of Byzantine churches, Venetian castles, and Ottoman mosques, each telling a part of the island's rich and multifaceted history. Cretans are known for their strong sense of community and hospitality. An example of this is the custom of Xenios Zeus, which translates to Zeus the protector of guests. This concept of sacred hospitality is still a common practice, and visitors often find themselves invited to share a meal or coffee in local homes. Music and dance play a central role in Cretan life. The Cretan lyra, a traditional string instrument, is often heard during festivals and celebrations. Folk dances, such as the pentazoli, are performed with vigor and passion, symbolizing the resilience and indomitable spirit of the Cretan people. Despite modernity, the Cretans maintain a strong connection to their traditions and customs. Religious festivals and seasonal celebrations, such as Easter and the Feast of St. George, are significant moments when the community comes together to celebrate with food, music, and dance. Respect for ancestors and cultural heritage is evident in the way Cretans preserve and honor their traditions. Narratives passed down through generations are not just stories. They are the living soul of Crete, shaping the identity and daily life of its inhabitants. Life in Crete today is a blend of ancient traditions and modern influences. The Mediterranean climate, with mild winters and hot summers, provides ideal conditions for agriculture and an outdoor lifestyle. The mountains, valleys, and beaches are not just landscapes. They are integral parts of the daily lives of the Cretans. However, living on an island presents unique challenges. During winter, storms can isolate villages and towns, making transportation and access to essential resources difficult. Mountain roads can become dangerous and communications complicated. This temporary isolation requires careful preparation by residents, who stock up on supplies and rely on the community to face hardships. In addition to the weather conditions, frequent military exercises in the islands are a reality of life in Crete. Due to its strategic location in the Mediterranean, Crete is a vital point for the Greek and allied armed forces. These exercises, while necessary for defense, can cause disruptions in the daily lives of residents and impact the environment. Tourism is a lifeline in Crete's economy. The island receives more than 30 million visitors each year, drawn by its stunning beaches, archaeological sites, and rich culture that offers something for everyone. Heraklion, with its international airport, is the gateway for many tourists coming to explore the island. The beaches of Crete are famous for their crystal-clear waters and fine sand. Elefsinici, Belos, and Vai are some of the most popular, each with its unique charm. Elefsinici is known for its shallow, warm waters, ideal for families with children. Belos, with its turquoise lagoon and panoramic view, is a must-see destination for those seeking breathtaking scenery. Vai, with its vast palm grove, offers a unique and exotic experience reminiscent of a tropical landscape. The island's tourism infrastructure is well developed. There are hotels and resorts for all tastes and budgets, from luxurious five-star complexes to cozy family-run guest houses. Cretan hospitality is renowned, and visitors often report positive experiences with locals who go out of their way to welcome tourists. However, tourism also brings challenges. The high season can cause overcrowding in some areas, putting pressure on local resources and the environment. Sustainability is a growing concern, and efforts are being made to balance the influx of tourists with the preservation of the island's natural beauty. Ecotourism initiatives and responsible tourism practices are gaining strength, aiming to minimize environmental impact and promote more sustainable development. Crete's economy relies heavily on tourism, but agriculture also plays a crucial role. The island is one of Greece's main olive oil producers, with vast olive groves covering the mountainsides. Cretan olive oil is renowned for its high quality and unique flavor, a result of the ideal climatic conditions and traditional cultivation techniques. In addition to olive oil, Crete is famous for its wines. Local wineries produce a variety of wines that reflect the island's terroir, with indigenous grapes like Vidiano and Liatico gaining international recognition. Winery visits are a popular activity among tourists, offering the opportunity to taste local wines and learn about the production processes. Local markets are vibrant and full of fresh produce. Fruits, vegetables, cheeses, honey, and aromatic herbs are just some of the items that can be found. Handcrafted products, such as ceramics and embroidered textiles, are very popular among visitors looking for authentic island souvenirs. Crete stands out not only for its breathtaking landscapes and historical heritage but also for its ability to adapt and thrive amid economic and environmental challenges. The island continues to be a destination of choice for millions of people, offering a unique combination of nature, culture, and hospitality. Life is lived at its own pace, reflecting the philosophy of piano piano, slowly, slowly. This relaxed lifestyle is evident in all aspects of daily life on the island, from leisurely mornings in cafes to sun-drenched afternoons on the beaches. The beaches of Crete are known for being places where topless sunbathing is common, especially in the more remote and less frequented tourist areas. Nudist beaches, such as Falaki near Korasfakian, are popular destinations for those seeking a more liberated and natural experience. On these beaches, the sense of freedom is palpable, with people of all ages enjoying the sun without restrictions. Crete's nightlife also reflects this freedom. Coastal cities like Chersonesos and Malia are known for their lively parties and clubs that operate until dawn. These places attract young people from all over Europe, creating a vibrant atmosphere where music, dancing, and socializing are the main attractions. However, even on the wildest nights, Cretan hospitality remains a constant, ensuring that everyone feels welcome. The legalization of prostitution in Crete is another aspect that highlights the island's open attitude towards behaviors considered taboo in many other places. Regulated brothels operate legally, offering services in a controlled environment. This approach aims to reduce the risks associated with unregulated prostitution and ensure safety for both workers and clients. Additionally, the sale of cannabis-based products is allowed in Crete, reflecting a more relaxed attitude towards the recreational use of the plant. Specialized shops, known as cannabis clubs, offer a variety of products, from dried flowers to oils and edibles. These establishments are frequented by locals and tourists, promoting a culture of responsible and informed use. The piano piano pace is also manifested in dining and socializing. Meals are extended events, often accompanied by wine or raki, a local alcoholic beverage. Cretans value fresh and local food, and taverns and restaurants serve traditional dishes such as dakos, a type of bread salad, and kalitsunia, pastries filled with cheese or herbs. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any content.